Podcasts on UNC-TV.org are made possible through the financial contributions of viewers like you, who invite you to join them in supporting UNC-TV.
North Carolina AARP recently conducted a survey looking into the major concerns that our state's residents aged 50 and above believe they are facing. State AARP Director Bob Jackson recently stopped by our studios to share the survey's results. Bob Jackson, welcome back to North Carolina Now.
Thank you very much, Anna.
You are the state director for AARP North Carolina, and you all recently released the results of a survey called Voices of 50-Plus North Carolina Dreams and Challenges. Yeah. First of all, what was the purpose behind the survey?
Well, you know, AARP is this huge membership organization. And, you know, our membership is changing. The demographics of our country are changing. The demographics of our state are changing. And I think we need to fully understand who our members are and who our potential members are down the road. You know, we're a membership organization of 50 plus. You have to be over 50, but and that huge demographic is upon us. I'm at the leading edge of the boomer population, and we're all turning 65 this year. And a number of folks are following, millions of people are following, and they're all a little different. So we're trying to understand what the motivations are of our members and potential members, what motivates them in terms of politics, what motivates them in terms of economic security, financial security, health care, and other dreams like avocation dreams. What do they want to do after retirement? What do they want to do in their spare time? What kind of hobbies and things of this sort? What do they want to do with their families and kids and grandkids? And so trying to understand that, and then try to understand how we can best serve our members, and in fact how we can help our communities prepare themselves for this changing demographic.
Let's talk a little bit about what you found out from those folks surveyed here in North Carolina. Challenges. What are the top challenges facing this age group here in North Carolina?
Yeah, I think we have some significant data that shows, and probably consistent data with national surveys of where people's highest concerns are. Clearly, health care. When they talk about what do people want in retirement or in the next 10 or 20 years, they want a secure health care. They want to be healthy, as well as to have adequate health insurance and protections, not only with Medicare, but in the private insurance market. They're clearly concerned about economic security issues. Will their pension be there? What kind of money will they be able to save for retirement? Because clearly they're expecting high costs in retirement. Will Social Security be there for them in addition to their pension? The market has certainly caused great angst among many of us over the last couple of years. This recession has been deep, and it still is deep. The market is tanking as we speak, but it's a matter of what will be there for them and what will they be able to create over the next few years to carry them much longer than ever before. The demographics are clear. We're living longer. We're living in many respects better than we've ever lived before. And so you need to kind of get that nest egg built up. And people are concerned. People are concerned that they do not have that nest egg prepared. They do not have that health care security to look forward to down the road.
You also asked people about their dreams. What did you find out among 50-plus folks here in North Carolina that they're dreaming about wanting to do?
Yeah, well, you know, a significant number. Well, about 40% of our members here in North Carolina are looking to travel and to have vacations and to connect with family and friends, to take care of grandkids and children. But you know, the bottom line is that they're not quite sure if they'll be able to do that. They want to do this. They dream about having that free time to develop their skills and their hobbies and their activities and the community service activities, but they're not quite sure it's going to be there in terms of the money for them to do the travel and the vacations that we all dream about. So there's a level of anxiety and concern.
Was there anything that came out of the survey that particularly surprised you?
I think, yes, we asked some political questions about what people want in their state. And I think everyone's frustrated that we're in this financial crisis and that the state is in the budget shortfall that it's in. And that we're having to make tough choices, very tough choices. And I think that I was surprised a little bit and interestingly pleased by the positiveness that the results gave us in terms of people want high and strong K-12 education. They want good, strong human service programs. They want good roads and transportation systems. And then the difficulty is, of course, how to pay for them and how to maintain our strong services here in North Carolina that make us a wonderful place to live, but also the sacrifices I think that many of us will have to make.
How do you hope that this data will be used by state leaders and also within your own organization?
Oh, certainly within our organization, we will be using this to develop our priorities. We'll be looking at what is it that our members want us to be doing. We want to make sure that we're providing programs, levels of advocacy. When I say programs, that means educational programs about how to deal with systems, how to plan for your future. Advocacy at both the state and federal level, but also what kind of community service opportunities do people want? We want to be partnering with many folks across the state, whether they're local organizations, faith-based groups, or the Aging Network, or hospitals, or community service programs, or civic clubs, to really enhance the community service efforts across the state.
Finally, if our viewers want to find out more about the survey and connect up with your work, what do they need to do?
They can contact our website here at www.aarp.org/NC, or they can call our toll-free number at 866-389-5650.
Bob Jackson, thank you so much for coming and sharing all this information with us.
I appreciate it.
Podcasts on UNC-TV.org are made possible through the financial contributions of viewers like you, who invite you to join them in supporting UNC-TV.